Hi, today we will show you how easily to save glass elements that you can glue in a few seconds with Ateka UV 21 glue. If your elements fit, the repair will be much easier. Gently degrease the glass in the gluing areas. Apply a small amount of glue, wipe off any excess before exposing to light. What is worth noting, the glue is perfectly transparent and is the waterproof version. Fit the elements so that they adhere perfectly to each other. We begin curing the adhesive with a UV light beam. This process depends on the type of lamp you have. Ready, the element is repaired and holds immediately after curing.